Good afternoon. My name is Abdullah Shaif, and I'm a mechatronics student from APU. This is my proposed project for a vision and voice-based human-robot interaction interface for a humanoid robot. The aim of the project was to develop a human-robot interaction system that can be used with a humanoid robot to interact with the robot using visual and voice commands. And so the main objectives were to include speech recognition, hand gesture recognition, and also body pose recognition features in the robot, along with the face tracking feature. And a robot was simulated to respond to interactions and input commands from the user. The main purpose of the project is to include multiple interaction modes in robots that people can interact with easily and more naturally without needing to know more about the technical side of the system. And so the following features were implemented in the program. The face tracker to detect and track user's face so that the user is always within the robot's view. Next, speech recognition to detect speech commands so that the user can give direct commands or ask questions to the robot. And most importantly, the hand gesture and body pose recognition system. These features allow robot to detect various hand gestures or body poses the user is showing. So it can be controlled. So the robot can be controlled by using hand gestures, and also the robot is able to detect several body poses of the user to check the state of the user, and also the robot is also able to mimic some poses. The body and gesture recognition was implemented by training a machine learning model to classify the gestures of poses shown on real-time video. Uh, for example, these are the hand gesture recognized by the robot program. There are 15 gestures with some common gestures such as thumbs up or pointing right or even numbers and some sign language letters. And there are 14 body poses the robot program was trained to recognize. The robot is able to clearly detect poses such as which arm is raised, or even if the user is sitting down or standing normally or bending to pick up something. Findings for recording system. First, you can see that the camera is relevant to the space. At first, same time,
Robot, move forward.
Next, when the user commands the robot to move forward, the speech recognition feature decodes the audio, which triggers the robot to move forward as the user asked.
Robot, move forward. Robot, turn right. Robot, turn left. Robot, turn left.
And then you give the 5 step. And finally, the robot can also mimic some body poses of the user. When the user gives the thumbs up gesture as shown here, the body mimicking mode turns on so that the robot can mimic the current pose that the user is showing. For example, here the user's right arm, left arm is raised, so the robot also raises right.
Robot, what is the time?
11:37.
Here, the robot is able to respond to the user using audio speech, as you just heard when the user asked what the time is, and the user responded with the time as speech. That is all for my project. Thank you.